One of the great things about doing this job really is that you get to explore all sorts of industries and businesses. Events are a great bit of show business. They are, it's all about creating moments, it's bringing people together, it's keeping people engaged. One of the things we did was for Cisco Live. They had this problem, which is that they wanted to get everybody ready for the keynote. And you want to give them something to do. So they thought, what could we do? Well, what about a game? So they came to us and said, look, we need this game. We need to be able to play it without installing it. When they play the game, we want a big leaderboard, because they're all a lot of sales reps and they're quite competitive. So we want them to do that. So we built a holistic system. It was a little game which they could tinker around with. And then also we sort of added on a whole layer to capture information about what their delegates were doing, the devices that they were using, and obviously there was the game data itself, how often they played. It was quite crazy. There was a guy in Norway who played the game way after the event as well. He just loved it. He was the king of that game. One of the nice things about that particular app was that there was a compere, as is often the case at these events, and he had control. He had certain controls over what was happening to the application. It was that thing that you could have live control over what was going on that was quite a cool and, if not unique, an unusual feature. We had a very small time frame to do it. The whole thing, I think, was about 3 weeks. That's characteristic of events, because they happen, they've got to happen at a particular time. You've got to be able to deliver something meaningful at a moment in time. So we had to be very creative and not try and over-deliver. So the game itself is really simple. You're presenting people with this and they've got to get it in the 5 minutes before the keynote speaker comes on and get something out of it. The experience you get from having solved these problems again and again and again is what really helps you when a client comes to you, whether it's for a mobile thing or for a desktop thing. And that's really where I think we have something to bring. We love the technology, but we understand that our clients really have a problem and they need to solve it. And hopefully when they come to us, it's a technological solution that's going to do it for them.